Let me show you how I mix my thrifted, vintage, and modern home decor.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's true.
Welcome back to another video. If you love thrifted, secondhand, and vintage fashion taken to another level, then you're in the right place, guaranteed. So today I'm giving you a tour of my living space. You know, I am launching my vintage home and more section on my website on March the 15th, and it is going to incorporate a lot of vintage home decor, bedding, even like just miscellaneous pieces like knickknacks, vinyl. If you haven't subscribed to my website, definitely do that. I do newsletters. I will say, if you're not opening up my newsletters in the emails, please do, because I received the email stating that my newsletters will be labeled as spam because a lot of people are not opening them up. So if you do subscribe to my website, please open up the newsletters. Even if you don't read it, please open up the email just so it won't start going into people's spam for the people that do enjoy the newsletters. If you don't want to receive any more newsletters or anything else, please unsubscribe. Not saying that in a harsh way or anything like that, but it is doing more harm than help if you're subscribed to my website and you don't open up the emails. So please, please, please do me a favor. I'm a small business trying to make it. So if you do see an email from me, please just click on it. You don't have to read it. You don't have to click on anything. You don't have to participate in any discounts or anything like that. Just please click on it and then move on. Save my emails from going into the spam folder of people that are interested. So thank you very much. I appreciate it. I was saying, I am doing a small living room tour, so I wanted to show you guys how I incorporate my thrifted and vintage finds in this more modern space. So I moved into this apartment probably like 4 years ago, and these apartment buildings are fairly new. So I have a modern space. It is very new. It is very sleek and all that type of stuff. But if you know me, just by my fashion, you know I'm a vintage girl. I love vintage. I want to say my style is probably can be deemed as bohemian, maybe even bohemian glam, if that even is a thing. But I just love more earth tones, and I do love gold sprinkle in. You will see with my tour that I love some accents of gold and silver, but I'm more of a very earthy when it comes to my home decor, as well as some in my fashion a little bit. So when I moved here, I moved from Pennsylvania, and in Pennsylvania I lived in this very old apartment complex. The apartment complex had wood floors and it was very vintage, so it went with my aesthetic really well. When I moved here, I had to figure out how can I take my thrifted and vintage pieces and make it work in this space. So I will show you guys how I make it work. I'm not sure if you agree that I make it work, but I try my best. Let me just show you my living space. I'm only showing you my living room area and probably my my little counter over here. I'm not taking you back into my studio because I have like 3 videos on this channel showing you my studio when it was a cloffice, and then when I turned it into my studio, and then when I organized it. So I'll link those videos below so you can take a look if you want to see my studio. I'm not taking you into my room because I want to see that because clothes are everywhere. So I'm going to save you from that site. And I'm just going to show you this living area. So let's take a look. Swing over here real quick. So this frame I actually thrifted. I got this from, I want to say, Goodwill. Even though I said I wasn't a glam girl, I do love gold accents. So this frame just drew me in. And it also has, I think there's some silver. So it's a mixed metal type thing, which I always love. This picture is of me and my family when we went on a vacation years and years ago. This was actually my last vacation. I haven't had a vacation since. My nephews were super young. They're teenagers now. This bowl, the black bowl, was actually thrifted, and the gold bowl was thrifted as well. And then you have the fruit in there that is also thrifted. Now we're gonna tackle my living area. We got this from the dumpster, the side of the dumpster. I saw it was sitting there and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna pick this up because I needed a side table, so I did that. That is some items that will be going on my site. So you have this K that I bought from, I think, Walmart, and I spray painted it gold. This vase is actually thrifted. I just love the mix of gold and silver. You probably remember this from my $10 outfit challenge. Then there's a mirror behind there that's not thrifted, but this bottle is thrifted. This little bowl is actually, I managed the team when I worked at Pink, Victoria's Secret Pink, and the team was overseas in India, and for Christmas one year they sent me, you guys probably have seen this chair before. I actually bought it from an estate sale, one of my first estate sales. So it actually is from the 60s and it folds up. I just have a stack of books. They're dusty, but ignore that. I have my degrees down there and books from my courses that I teach. And then you have this faux plant that is from, I want to say, IKEA. Over here to my couch. I love this couch. I actually won it from an estate sale for $5. As you can see, I love pillows. I love pillows. Most of these are thrifted and some of them are bought from like Ross. We have framed pictures. A lot of these pictures come from a book called Vintage Black Glam. So you have this Diana Ross picture that came out of that. I think this picture of Donna Summer. I collect magazine covers of people that I really like. This magazine cover just stood out because of the colors, and just Sierra looks stunning in this picture. Then you have this 80s picture in the background. I just love, like I said, I love gold accents. Of course, my Tupac picture. The reason why I love this picture so much isn't because it's Tupac, it's because my nephew, my oldest nephew, Tyrant, actually bought this picture for me. So of course I'm gonna keep it and display it because of that reason in itself. And then this is a picture of Diana Ross and Tracy Ellis Ross. I worked for Gap Inc. years and years ago, and in our orientation they gave us a coffee table book, and in the coffee table book was a lot of photos of the people that pretty much did campaigns for them and things like that. So I took a lot of those pictures out of there, out of that book, and I framed them because I just thought I love the photography of the book. And this is Missy Elliott. This is NDRE. This is the other side of the 80s picture that I have on the opposite side. And then, if you didn't know, I am a stylist and I've done editorials. And this picture is from one of my favorite editorials that I've ever done. I just wanted to frame my work and like have it seen. If someone comes over, they see my work on display. Then you swing over here, you have this chair that I painted it this orange color because I just wanted a pop of color, and I actually thrifted these pillows and I thrifted this pillowcase. So you swing over to my window ledge. I have some more of the editorial that I was telling you guys over there. Just some faux flowers and things like that with my theme of gold, and you'll see some silver as well. This tree that I actually thrifted from the Goodwill. It was a funny story because I didn't have my car. I just moved here from Pennsylvania. And I went to the Goodwill looking for home decor. I found this and I had to take an Uber back to hang the top of this tree outside the window of the Uber. I told you that I won this couch off of an auction, CT bids for estate sale auctions for $5. But what I did not tell you is I have a crazy connection to the show Raising Kanan. So let me explain. And I think the connection is more of with the actor Malcolm Mays, who plays Lulu on the show. I'm going to show you a picture of them sitting on the couch in a scene from Raising Kanan, and tell me that couch does not look like the couch that I have here. Tell me it doesn't look like it. And then to put icing on top of the cake, he wore a Fila track jacket in one of his scenes, and tell me why I didn't find the same track jacket at an estate sale. I don't know what the connection is. I don't know if he's supposed to be my future husband, but hey, I'm so down for that. Excuse the glitter and things on the floor. My vacuum cleaner is broke, and I tried to sweep as good as I could, but hey, hair is gonna be hairing because I have a lot of it, so excuse that. So this chair is not thrifted. This chair is actually from World Market, so I just love the shape of it. I love like wicker and rattan. However, thrift the pillows that are on the swinging chair. Over here to this corner, like I said, you're gonna see a lot of glitter on the floor, some hair spots. It is what it is. So this chair is not thrifted. It is from Target, but I love the mustard, the marigold color. Anytime I see that, I have to grab it, and I am obsessed with chairs. I don't know what it is, but I'm obsessed with chairs. These two pillows are thrifted. I just thought this pillow was super cute with the crochet and the little heart, and this gold pillow was really cute as well. This footstool is thrifted. This is the original pillow as well. So this plant stand is thrifted. This flower, this faux flower is thrifted. This decoration isn't thrifted. I think I bought it from like Ross or Marshalls or something like that. But this vase, if you can see, beautiful little design on it. This is thrifted. That is thrifted. Right behind there is thrifted. These frames are thrifted, and yes, that is me. I drew that. I'll show you the original picture, and yes, I do have another picture of Tupac behind here, because who gave that to me? My youngest nephew. My youngest nephew gave me the Tupac picture. If there's a theme about Tupac, I'm good with Tupac now. I don't need any more Tupac, fam. I don't need any more Tupac. I have my TV stand right here, and the baskets on my TV stand are thrifted. Books down there. I'm very big on history and Black history, and then you have a book. This, my sister actually is an author in that book. So proud of her. I have mirrors up here. I need to clean them, but these are from the 80s. Like I said before, I love the accent of gold, so we have that up there. You have this vintage suitcase. I love vintage suitcases. Then you have this vase and some more of those decorative, like, I don't know, stems. I don't know what you call it, but yeah, you have those. Some books from my courses and books from, I love Black history, so I definitely have a lot of books on Black history. This coffee table is not thrifted, but flowers are from Dollar Tree, but I spray painted them this orange and blue and gold and all that because I wanted it to fit in with my decor. This tray is thrifted. The home tour. Remember, I am launching my new section on my website, Vintage Home and More, on March the 15th. If you do love vintage pieces like home decor, bedding, any miscellaneous pieces like vinyls, artwork, any of that type of stuff, definitely check it out. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm very close. I'm super close to that 1,000. I'm filming this video. I am at 813 subscribers, and once I hit that 1,000 subscribers, I am giving away a shopping spree on my website and other platforms that I sell on, like Poshmark and eBay. So if you don't love vintage, I do have other platforms that I post modern pieces on. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Remember to hit that notification bell so you know when I post a video. I post on Wednesdays and Sundays at 8 a.m. And sometimes you might see a bonus video now and then. So you may. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Have a good night. Have a good day. Have a good week. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekday. And I will holler at you guys later.